Revolutionizing robotics, affordable, mobile, and intelligent. The world of robotics is about to get a whole lot more exciting, and it's all thanks to a brilliant innovation called XLeRobot. Say goodbye to the days of expensive, immobile robotic arms. The problem, while open-source robotic arm projects are abundant, the market lacks affordable and mobile robotic platforms with arms. The solution: enter XLeRobot, an ingenious creation by Vector Wang, which builds upon the XLeRobot framework. This robot is not just a static arm, it's a fully mobile, autonomous machine with a unique twist. The design, XLeRobot's design, is a masterpiece of practicality. It utilizes readily available components, including 3D printed hardware, and, surprisingly, an IKEA cart. The cart's stacked shelves provide the perfect structure for the dual arms and central stalk with a head. But here's the genius part: the top shelf has extra space to store or carry objects, making it incredibly functional. Mobility: the robot's mobility is just as impressive. 3 omnidirectional wheels are attached to the bottom of the cart, providing stability and the ability to move in any direction effortlessly. And the best part? No drilling is required, thanks to the IKEA cart's metal mesh shelves. Accessibility: XLeRobot is a game-changer for hobbyists and enthusiasts. Its low cost, primarily due to 3D printing and open-source software, makes it accessible to most, while its size allows it to navigate indoor spaces and perform practical tasks. Virtual exploration: what's more, you can experience XLeRobot without building it. A VR simulation lets you pilot the robot in a virtual environment, requiring just Ubuntu and a Quest 3. Dive deeper: for those eager to understand the intricacies, the GitHub repository houses the 3D models and design files. And for a visual treat, a build video is available, showcasing the construction process. And this is where it gets controversial: is it ethical to use everyday items like IKEA furniture for advanced robotics? Are we blurring the lines between consumer goods and cutting-edge technology? Share your thoughts below.